Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Ulta rewards using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Ulta app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on account at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on rewards. Here you will see how many points you have, your member level, and any rewards coupon you have. Every time you shop, you earn points turn into money you can use. You can use rewards online or in the store. Let's start with online. Add items to your shopping bag in the app, then tap the bag, then tap checkout. On the checkout screen, scroll down to use points. Choose how many points you want to use. You will see the total price go down right away. Tap apply, then place your order. Now let's talk about in store. At the register, open the Ulta app on your iPhone, tap rewards and show your barcode to the cashier. Tell them how many points you want to use. Points can only be used in the set amounts. Point work best when you save them and use more at work. And that's it. That's how you use Ulta rewards using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.